Today, we're diving deep into the exciting world of purchasing Bitcoin with PayPal. We've got a comprehensive guide ready for you, covering 3 major exchanges: Coinbase, Sex.io, and eToro. Our first stop is Coinbase, a platform renowned for its user-friendliness. Here's your step-by-step guide on buying Bitcoin with PayPal. Assuming you've already got your Coinbase account set up, the first step is linking your PayPal account. Head to Buy and Sell, select Bitcoin, and go to your Pay With options. Here you're going to want to go to Add a Payment Method and select PayPal. From here you will need to link your PayPal account with your Coinbase account so that you can use it for deposits and withdrawals. Once your PayPal is linked, it's time to start the buying process. From your Coinbase dashboard, go to Buy and Sell, or you can go to Buy next to Bitcoin. From here, go to Pay With, and you'll notice the payment methods available for your purchase. Choose PayPal as your payment method. Next, it's time to decide how much Bitcoin you want to buy. Enter the amount you're comfortable with. Remember, there might be some fees associated with the purchase, so keep an eye on that. Double check your order details. Make sure the amount of Bitcoin you're buying and the associated fees are correct. When you're satisfied, go ahead and hit that Confirm Buy Now button. And that's it. Congratulations, you're officially a Bitcoin owner. The process of buying Bitcoin with PayPal on Coinbase is complete. Now, let's explore Sex.io, a platform that offers a straightforward way to acquire Bitcoin with PayPal. Assuming you've got your Sex.io account set up and ready, the first step is setting up PayPal as a payment method. First thing you'll do is go to your products and wallets. From here, go to Bitcoin and click on Add Funds. Head over to the Select Payment Methods section, and here you'll find all of the payment options available to you. Choose PayPal as your funding method. Next, you will need to log in with PayPal in order to link your PayPal account to your Sex.io wallet. After you have successfully linked your PayPal account to your Sex.io wallet, now you are able to purchase Bitcoin using PayPal as a payment method. Go to Wallets, go down to Bitcoin, Add Funds, and now you'll be able to select PayPal as a payment method source. Input the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy. Keep an eye on the live exchange rate and the transaction fees. The system will show you the total cost of your chosen currency. Hit Proceed. Double check your purchase details, including the amount of Bitcoin you're acquiring and any associated fees. Once you're satisfied, hit the Buy button to confirm your purchase. Congratulations! You successfully bought Bitcoin with PayPal on Sex.io. Your purchased Bitcoin will now appear in your account and wallet. Our final destination is eToro, a platform known for its social trading features. Assuming you've got your eToro account ready, the first step is to deposit funds. Head over to the Deposit Funds section. In the deposit options, you'll find various payment methods. Choose PayPal as your preferred method. Enter the amount you want to deposit into your eToro account. Remember, the minimum deposit requirement might apply. Go to Continue, and you will be asked to link your PayPal account to your eToro account. With funds in your eToro account, it's time to buy Bitcoin. Navigate to the search bar and type in Bitcoin or BTC and select Trade. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy. Keep an eye on the real-time exchange rate and any transaction fees. Select Trade or Order, depending on if you want to purchase Bitcoin using a limit order. Keep an eye on the real-time exchange rate and any transaction fees. Double check all your purchase details, including the amount of Bitcoin and any applicable fees. Once you're satisfied, confirm your purchase. Congratulations! You successfully bought Bitcoin with PayPal on eToro. Your purchased Bitcoin will now be visible in your eToro account. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to purchase Bitcoin with PayPal on Coinbase, Sex.io, and eToro. This is just the beginning of your crypto journey, so keep learning, exploring, and expanding your crypto horizons. For more valuable tutorials, investment insights, and the latest in the world of crypto, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And as always, feel free to drop your questions or thoughts in the comments section below.